Hi, everyone. How are you? Hope you are well. So, the CPI report just came out recently stating that there are a whole bunch of jobs out here. 517,000 new jobs have been added to the market, according to this CPI report. So, I'm going to talk about how to get rich. Number one, the stock market. Are you in the stock market? So, I was reading our article. It talked about Apple stock. And they stated that if you had put $1,000 into Apple stock 39 years ago, you would have $1 million. So could you imagine if you had did something that like that for your child, or if someone had did that for you? So I just say that to say that it doesn't take a lot of money. You don't have to be rich to be investing in the stock market. But it's just a matter of, are you in the stock market? First of all, are you investing for your children? Have you taught your children about the stock market and how it works? So, the stock market, that is a long term game. So, you put the money in and you let it stay there for long term. That is a long term play. So, that is the stock market. Secondly, the real estate market, buying property. Buying property is very important. When you buy property, what you are doing is you are buying your freedom, essentially. So, real estate is also a long term play. You buy the property, you keep it, and you hold it for a long time. You don't buy it and sell it and move somewhere else. You buy it and you keep it, whether that be putting tenants in place or house hacking, but you figure out some kind of way to keep the property. And so that is also a long term play to building your wealth. That is real estate. And then thirdly, business. So business is faster in comparison to looking at the stock market and real estate. You have to sell something. You have to figure out what it is that you're going to sell. What are you interested in? And what are people willing to buy? So, of course, you want to be honest and transparent. You're not going to be conning people out here and scheming, figuring out ways to scheme. It's going to be something that you're interested in, first of all, and then something that people will buy from you. So, um, preferably, it will be something that is going to help someone else. So, we're all here to contribute and to serve. So, creating some kind of business and figuring out what it is that you are going to sell, something that will generate income now. So, you need income now. And then you also need to be thinking about the future, creating generational wealth, or just creating massive wealth if that is what you desire. And so the stock market and the real estate is going to provide that for you. But like I said before, that is a long term play. So business is generating income now, just figuring out which kind of business would you be interested in doing. And then in terms of working a job, we've all been taught to work jobs, right? So in terms of working a job, instead of looking at the job as something you despise, looking at it as an investment tool. Like this is your investment tool that you're going to use to put into the stock market, to buy your real estate, to create your business. So your job, looking at it as an investment tool instead of something that you hate. Now, if you absolutely hate your job, you can consider getting another job. Like I said, there are 517,000 jobs that have been added to the market according to the CPI report. So, getting something that you like, until your business replaces your job. So I do not advise quitting your job. Now, if you're laid off or you're fired, then that's another story. But as far as just quitting your job, I would not advise just quitting your job because you don't like it. Either get another job or get another job and start your business. So get another job and start your business. And then eventually the income from your business will be more than the income from the job. All right. So that is how you become rich in 2023. Now it's up to you to take the action steps to actually do it. So the difference lies in, are you going to take the action steps or are you going to sit around on the couch watching TV all day, doing nothing? So that's the difference. After you see this video, are you going to go figure out how to buy some property? Are you going to go work on your business? Or are you going to just scroll through YouTube and watch YouTube videos the rest of the night? So it's up to you. Are you going to take the action? Are you going to work on your business every day? So this is all about habit, right? Creating habits. Are you going to work on your business every day? What's the habit? So that's what it comes down to. So I just told you the what. Now, are you going to go do it? That's the question. All right. If you like the channel, please hit the like button. It helps the channel. Please hit the subscribe button if you're not a subscriber and the notification bell next to it so that you won't miss an episode. Also, please leave a comment below. Let me know your thoughts. Also, if you're not in the stock market, get in the stock market. Check the link below. If you don't own property, I can help you to own property. Check the link below. Thank you for watching and have a good rest of your nights.